Hi guys, it's Deborah. So here's a cool tip for complicated or any kind of weeding that you need to do. Get an inexpensive little light box. I think I got this one on Amazon, or maybe it was at Hobby Lobby, I don't remember. I've had it a while and I've never used it, but I love it. And it makes your weeding so much easier because you can actually see what you're doing. What a concept. And if you don't have a light box, follow me over here. I'll show you something else you can do. You could just use a flashlight or the flashlight on your iOS device to do the same thing. So much easier to weed this way when you can actually see it. Now see, I never would have been able to see this little tiny thing right here. I love this tip, even if I do say so myself. And it's so easy for picking up little mistakes if you've got some extra vinyl on there you need to get off. There you go. How easy is that?